Adjectives and adjective phrases take most important part in framing sentences. If you know how to replace adjectives and adjective phrases in sentences, it will be better to communicate, to speak, to write English. Okay, this video is about how to replace adjective phrases with adjectives. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Brutus was a man of honor. Man of honor. Of honor is used to modify man. So, of honor is an adjective phrase. What it will be? Brutus was an honorable man. Here, honorable is an adjective. Next one, 15th August is a day to be remembered. Day to be remembered. To be remembered is used to modify noun day. So to be remembered is an adjective phrase. What it will be? 15th August is a memorable day. Memorable is an adjective. Next one, cricket is a sport liked by many people in India. Right? So liked by many people is used to modify sport. So liked by many people is an adjective phrase. What it will be? Cricket is a popular sport in India. Popular is an adjective. Next one. In India, we wear clothes made of wool. Clothes made of wool. Made of wool is used to modify clothes. So made of wool is an adjective phrase. What it will be? In India, we wear woolen clothes. Here, woolen is an adjective. Tenali Raman was a man of great wit. Man of great wit. Of great wit is used to modify man. So, of great wit is an adjective phrase. Replace it with an adjective. What it will be? Tenali Raman was a witty man. Witty is an adjective. Next one. Dhoni is a cricketer by profession. Cricketer by profession. By profession is used to modify cricketer. So by profession is an adjective phrase. What it will be? Dhoni is a professional cricketer. Professional is an adjective. Next one, Saina Nehwal is a badminton player of great promise. Player of great promise. Of great promise is used to modify player. What it will be the adjective? Write in the comment section. Okay, Saina Nehwal is a dash player. What it will be the adjective? This is for you. Write in the comment section. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. And do not forget, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.